Thanks to the customer from Azerbaijan for purchasing our EA1000C6 rental LED display. EA1000C6 rental LED screen adopts a convenient quick-lock design and supports curved installation. Has the flexibility of arc installation. You can choose inner arc installation or outer arc installation to meet different scenarios and needs. The cabinet is made of durable die-cast aluminum, and all screws and quick locks are made of stainless steel, which increases the overall sturdiness and durability. The power supply is close to the rear cover door panel, and the rear cover is equipped with a heat dissipation design to effectively improve the heat dissipation performance of the cabinet. EA1000C6 rental LED video wall is widely used in various scenarios, including stage events, exhibitions, business meetings, etc. Its flexibility and ease of installation make it ideal for temporary events and long-term use.